The first question is, what is a right triangle? As shown in the figure, a triangle is a two-dimensional shape which possess 3 sides and 3 edges. And a right triangle has one angle, which is the right angle, or 90 degree. For example, this triangle is called triangle ABC. It has 3 edges, which are point A, point B, and point C. Moreover, the angle of B is a right angle, or 90 degree. We may have already known that the area of any triangle is expressed as a half of the multiplication of its base and its height. And the height must be perpendicular to the base, as shown in the figure. The question is, how do we prove that the area of any triangle is a half of its base times its height? This will be conducted throughout the video. So, stay tuned, and please subscribe. Let us calculate the area of right triangle ABC, as shown in this figure. The calculation of the area of triangle is based on that of rectangle. The proof of the area of rectangle is provided in our previous video. Please find the link to the previous video somewhere on the screen, or in the description below. Next, let us put the same triangle on the top of the triangle ABC. Please see the figure for better understanding. This process will give us rectangle A, B, C, and C'. As discussed in previous video, it can be understood that the area of rectangle is height times base. In the same time, the area of rectangle is 2 times the area of triangle. From these equation, we find that the area of right triangle is a half of height times base. Thus, hereby, the area of right triangle is proven. The next question is whether or not this formula is valid for any type of triangle, including Scalene Triangle and Obtuse Triangle, as shown in the figures. As far as the conclusion is concerned, the answer is yes. By the will of Allah, this will be discussed in future videos. So, please subscribe. That is video for the day. Please support us by buying our books, or by donation through Patreon and PayPal. The links are provided in the description. For systematic learning, please visit our website, or by reading our books. Our books can be obtained in electronic medium, and as printing books. You can send the books as gifts for your beloved ones. Do not forget also to subscribe